How's it going, guys? Phil here, and today I'm going to show you how to repair a power cable with the Leviton 15 amp 2-pole light duty plug. Here we have a 2-prong plug on an extension cable that we want to replace, and this is the Leviton replacement plug. Take note here that the 2 prongs are different. There's a wide blade and a narrow blade, which corresponds to the blades on the extension cord. On the narrow side, the cable sleeve should be smooth, while on the wide blade there's a ridge. This difference can be hard to discern, so I always like to use a marker to mark the wide side. Then it's easier for me to tell the difference. With your wire cutters or sharp pair of scissors, go ahead and snip off the old plug. Now, with my wire stripper, I'm going to set the strip length to 3/4 inches, and I'll take 3/4 of an inch off the ends of both sleeves. With this automatic wire stripper, all I have to do is squeeze the handles together. Now measure 1.5 inches from the tip of the wire, and go ahead and split the wires back to this point using a sharp blade. Now we can open the housing on the replacement plug by removing the outer screw. Inside, you'll see a brass screw and a silver screw on either side. We're going to attach the neutral or ribbed wire, which I marked earlier, to the silver side, and the hot wire to the brass screw. Since the plug is polarized, it's important that you get the orientation correct to avoid an electrical shock hazard. First, give both wire ends a few twists to bind the strands together. Then, bend the wire into a hook in a clockwise direction, and when you wrap it around the screw, again you want to go in a clockwise direction. Then tighten down the screw until the wire is secure. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Be sure to wrap in a clockwise direction before tightening down. Now spread the wires and press them into the grooves inside the plug housing, and extend it out through the hole on the bottom. Finally, close together the 2 halves and replace the outer screw to seal the housing. Make sure to tighten all the way down so that the gap between the 2 halves is completely sealed. And that's it. Now the plug should be working good as new. I hope you enjoyed this repair video. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put links to the tools that I used in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.